There are three things that make me feel secure: a locked door, my childhood blanket, and a security camera. Now, I'm assuming everyone has the first one, and I'm not giving you the second one, so how about we talk about the third one on this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Adrian. Hey, if you like this video and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. As stated previously, we are talking about security cameras, specifically the GWSECU 4K 8-channel PoE Home Security Camera System. That is a mouthful, but trust me, it is quite worth it. This camera is a 5 megapixel Super HD PoE security camera system. This camera comes with an H.265 8-channel 4K 8 megapixel PoE. That means power over Ethernet, to be quite specific, so it can stream pretty quickly and connect pretty well. It has an NVR built-in 2TB HDD paired with a 4x5 megapixel resolution. That's about 2592 by 1944. I'm just ballparking. It is also weatherproof, meaning rain or shine, it will be able to see 65 up to 100 feet. Also, in night. Yes, that's right. This camera also comes with night vision because they weren't satisfied with building a great camera. They also had to give it night vision. It has a 100-degree viewing angle with an easy QR code to scan and access through your phone or your computer. Yeah, you can do it through your smartphone, your Mac, your tablet, your PC. You can connect it to an HDMI out. You name it, it's got it for you. It is an easy-to-install plug-and-play style device with especially easy external storage capabilities. Yes, this device comes with 2 USB ports and one SATA 2.0 HDD port, which gives you about up to 6 terabytes of external storage. That's pretty gosh darn good. Finally, it comes with smart human detection, meaning that it can track movement and motion and humans really quickly. No more getting notifications every time a tree blows in the wind. Boy, was I tired of that. The plug-and-play style of this PoE allows the surveillance camera to have a simple network connection, providing both power and transmission, and letting the camera be installed anywhere without the need for a power outlet, saving you a lot of time and a lot of money. Trust me. And because it is a wired connection, it gives you a stable signal, more stable than a lot of wireless cameras out there. Speaking of stability, this comes with an easy remote access and playback, along with a real-time motion alert. You can access playback through the app either through your phone or your desktop or your laptop or your tablet. Whatever it is you're using at the time, you can get notifications, emails, alerts, snapshots of any potential movement outside your home. It also comes with live streaming capabilities, allowing you to monitor in real time what is happening outside your home or business. It also comes with a stunning 5 megapixel HD display. Yes, this display comes in 2592 by 1944 resolution. In other words, that is about 1.5 times more than 1440p. That's pretty good. That's not just HD, that is Super HD. Enjoy crystal clear video day or night. Don't squint at the 720 or that 1080 anymore, because you got 1.5 times 1440. Super HD. Crystal clear footage. This is also an expandable surveillance system with 24/7 reliable recording and pre-installed 2 terabytes of surveillance grade HDD. That means you get recordings 24 hours, 7 days a week with smart motion triggered alerts for over 30 days. You can also export videos using a USB. Additionally, the 4K PoE NVR recorder system supports up to 8 IP camera with a 6 terabyte hard drive at most. But if these cameras aren't enough, you can add more cameras to expand your storage and meet your monitoring requirements. Why don't we get our team of scientists to help us out and test how good this product is. And by team of scientists, I mean Matt. Matt, let's take it away.
Well, me again? Okay. Alrighty, so I opened the box. Everything was in the box, according to the sheet. But I would like to point out that you will need your own HDMI cable. I'm just saying. There were some holes on the back, or otherwise known as ports, and some of the cords went in those ports. So once I plugged everything up, it worked. Decided to try it out to make sure that it worked. This is me in the backyard trying to chop down a tree with a stick. I didn't do a very good job. But I will say this, the number one reason to get this system is to know when the pizza will be here. See, that camera right there, that's the pizza camera. I'm talking 5 megapixel Super HD. It records in the file H.265 8-channel 4K up to 8 megapixel PoE NVR. It's got a 2 terabyte built-in hard drive. So that 5 megapixel resolution is up to 2592 by 1944 with a 100-degree view angle and easy smartphone access with an easy QR code scan. It's also got smart human detection. Did I mention that? It's super duper easy to install. You're just going to download the Guard app. So you can scan the QR code directly off your monitor, download it onto your tablet or your smartphone or whatever, and then install it. When it asks you to register the device, it can find it locally on the internet if you're plugged in through your Ethernet cable, or you can go ahead and rescan it again using the QR code and it will plug in all your information for you. You can record on that NVR if you don't know what that means. It is recording, so it's pretty easy to set up and schedule. You can even set it up to only record motion footage if you want. There's lots of really cool features here. You can set up the amount of motion detection where that's happening, as well as really awesome night vision. So yes, I did play around with the night vision. I had a little bit too much fun, but overall, it definitely works and it will get the job done. And the fact that this thing can handle up to like 8 different cameras is pretty awesome. Cough cough, and the 2 terabyte hard drive, yes. Recording is super easy. You're just going to right click your mouse on the monitor, which is connected to the NVR system, and you're going to choose Menu, Storage, then Recording. Normal recording starts at 24/7 full-time recording plus motion recording. But you can change all the little settings over here to the bottom right-hand corner and go ahead and select motion if you only want motion detection. So that will help you save footage if you need it. Setting the motion area is super easy. Just right-click your mouse on the monitor you want and then choose Main Menu, Alarm, then Motion, and select a camera and clear all to start with, and then go ahead and start building out your boxes. You can add boxes or take away. It's pretty easy. Just drag your mouse on the image to select the motion area. You can go ahead and set up scheduled recording if you want as well. It's pretty easy. Just click edit on the right side once you're inside of the camera scheduling section and uncheck all day. And then you can manually set the time period and choose record mode for each time period. But make sure you click OK to save the changes.
Doing some video playback is pretty easy as well. You can do it directly on the NVR. Just right click the monitor you want and choose playback, and then you can go through and choose your date or time. I decided to do it on the app as well, which again is pretty easy. You're just going to choose the little playback button and then select your date, or click the magnifying glass and choose the date that you want. I figured that's one of the coolest features to have, is being able to watch everything on your smartphone, which is why I decided to dive in and show you guys a little bit more information on that instead of the PC client. So let's look at the new age version of this smartphone. You're just going to scan the QR code, and then it's going to take you there, and you're going to download all the stuff you need for Guard View. Once you're in there and you install the app, you're just going to make sure to turn on your location settings and everything. It's basically just going to say that you can access the device from wherever you are. But if you're having any issues just on the NVR box or your CCTV, go ahead and right click the monitor, choose main menu, network, basic, and P2P. Just make sure you have enabled peer-to-peer or P2P, and add without sign up are checked. Once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. You're going to have to make a little more advanced password, but once you have your advanced password, everything should load up. Just click the camera you want and then add your device. Once you click the little plus sign, you can scan locally or do it manual or whatever. Like I said, if you're on the internet, it should find it on your router. Go ahead and add it, and boom, there you go. You should be able to see yourself.
Well, guys, I think I installed everything, and it worked. And I saw stuff, and it worked. I feel secure. I guess that means back to you guys.
Wow, that was pretty fantastic. I think the part I liked the most about it was just how clear that footage was. It was really, really crystal clear. If you thought it was also clear, or if you have any questions, please click on that link in the description below to read up on this camera and to buy it. I believe that wraps up this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Thank you so much to GWSECU for sponsoring this video. If you liked the 4K home security camera, please click on that link in the description below to get more information and to buy it. Well, from Los Angeles, California, I've been Adrian. Stay safe, be kind to each other, and have a nice day. Bye.
Pizza. Pizza. Pizza.